Welcome to How to Solve.
Hey there, in this video, I'll show you what to do if you see this error message saying YouTube restrictions have been turned on by network administrator. Let's go. You probably find this error message really annoying, but don't worry, it's a lot easier to fix than you think. Firstly, we just have to go here at the top right of the screen. So all you have to do is go to the top right and go and tap on these three little dots like this, like so. And then what you need to do is go down settings just like this. And once you're in your settings, all you need to do is go over to the left hand side and you've got this list of options. The next thing you have to click on is the privacy and security, just like so. Once you're in here, what you need to do is just scroll down until you see the option for security. Once again, just tap on that and then scroll down this page until you get to see the advanced section. And what you need to do is make sure your secure DNS is turned on. It's probably already turned on, and then what you want to do is select the second option, says with and maybe set the custom or something like that. And what you want to do is just go and click on Google Public DNS. So as you can see, the DNS determines how you connect websites over a secure connection. And that should be it. Once you go and select the Google Public DNS, that should go and fix your problem. So just come back to YouTube and go and refresh by clicking on the refresh button or Control and R. And yeah, that's it. Very, very simple. That's how we fix the error YouTube restricted mode turned on by network administrator.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.